All right, let's go ahead and demonstrate a couple of different stops. Standard stop here is going to provide some rigidity. T-slot installs nice right here. When I place my part, I'll bring my stop to my X location, and now I have achieved a location. I can perform my duties on top, I can engrave. I am not, however, able to profile this all the way around the part, or I will hit my stop. What we have here is another stop. Standard T-slot for installation, offers some mobility. Now with this one, if I hold it right at the perfect angle to get it installed first, now I can move this rod in and out, and here's the stop. It's functional. I can perform duties on top, I can engrave, but yet again, I'm not able to profile around this. If I could move this rod out of the way, I can achieve that, but the second I move this rod, I'm pivoting and I'm losing my location. There's no longer a trustable X, because all of this motion. See if we can go to the master level. Now with the MQS, I have different variables for mobility and a special collar for outside profiles. So now I can position this however suitable for me. I like it right there. So now I have X stopped, location is provided, and if I move this collar out of the way, I am now able to perform my entire outer profile without a crash. And then remove the part, position my stop, and when I place the next part in, that location is true to the first, and we can demonstrate repeatability on the next one.